Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Skoda remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here so we can gain access to the key fob battery. The cover can be quite stiff if it hasn't been removed before, so be careful and be patient. We get a couple of fingers and we place it into this groove here and we remove the cover like so, and there is your key fob battery. We get a very small screwdriver and we just place it in the indentation here and we just flick out the key fob battery like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into the housing like so. We make sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it is in its correct location. We just get the cover and we just simply pop it back on. Make sure it's all lines up and it clicks in place, and there you go, it's all done.